In front of us is the Apple Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to replace the back cover. If you ever do crack it or you want to replace it for some reason, we'll be doing that today. To get started, we would want to get a P6 bit, and we got 4 screws here on the back, and we also have 4 rubber seals that we would want to make sure that we keep those, as those seals on by the screws make sure that it stays waterproof or resistant. We're just taking them out so we do not lose them. Next, we're going to take a heat gun set to about 200 degrees Celsius, and we're going to heat up the back cover, and then we're going to remove the back cover there with the help of some pry tools. So both here, this small 0.1 millimeter, as well as the plastic spudger. Now, underneath this back cover, we have 2 connection points. One would be around here, and one would be up in this right corner. So that's just something to keep in mind. So that's the connection there on the top right, as well as that connection right there. And when you're taking off this back cover, you want to go nice and slow to keep the seal intact. If this seal does get damaged, we'll have to go ahead and create a seal for the back here. And now I'll be showing you how to put the back cover back on. If you were in a situation where you would be replacing it, you'll be able to purchase the back cover from us here and put it back on. So we'll go ahead and do that. main thing is to make sure that connection there is properly connected. And if it's not connecting, you would have to move around that bottom. There we go, I just disconnected it again. But you would want to move that connection probably more likely a little bit down. But you can go ahead and just take a look and you'll be able to line it up and just make sure that connection is properly made a proper connection before we proceed to seal up the watch. Okay, so we have the connection made there, so both the connections are made. Now we'll go ahead and put our seals for our screws back. And there we go. That's how you would replace a back cover on a Apple Watch Ultra.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.